everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka. Let's start with today's bulletin. Apple iOS 18.4 brings Apple Intelligence to India. Microsoft expands Copilot Plus features to more devices. Amazon unveils Nova Act, an AI that can browse the web. Dolby Cinema expanding to India. We have OpenAI to release open weight language models soon. And then we have Elon Musk Neuralink, which plans Blindsight brain implant for 2025. TCS becomes an AI tech partner for Schneider Electric Marathon. Now, in yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the wireless technology which is used in Apple's AirDrop? And the answer is Bluetooth combined with Wi-Fi. Now it's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who is the founder of TCS? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you have nailed it. Stay tuned. Now let's begin with the first news. Apple has rolled out the iOS 18.4 update introducing Apple Intelligence features in India. The latest update enhances user experience with smarter AI-driven tools and improved security. Now, some of the key features include enhanced Siri capabilities as well as real-time language translation and advanced photo editing, which is powered by AI. Apple Intelligence is designed to make interactions more smoother, whether it is composing messages or organizing schedules, as well as enhancing images with a single command. Now, this update is available to download on compatible devices. Apple has also ensured privacy measures to ensure data protection while using AI features. This move reflects Apple's commitment to expanding its AI-powered ecosystem globally. Now, Indian users can also experience a more intuitive and seamless digital experience with iOS 18.4. Now we have Microsoft, which is bringing out its Copilot Plus features to a wider range of devices powered by AMD and Intel processors. The move makes AI-powered tools more accessible to more PC users, improving productivity and efficiency across different machines. Copilot Plus includes AI-driven features such as smart summarization, real-time assistance, as well as personalized suggestions. It also helps users perform tasks more quickly and accurately, making it useful for students, professionals, and businesses alike. Previously, these features were actually limited to selected high-end devices. Now, with this expansion, Microsoft is ensuring that a broader audience can be benefited from its AI capabilities. The tech giant is also working closely with hardware partners in order to optimize device performances and provide seamless AI integration into its applications. This update signals Microsoft's growing focus on AI-powered computing, aligning with the industry trends where the AI is becoming an essential part of daily workflows. Next, we have Amazon, which has introduced the Nova Act, an advanced AI assistant that can navigate the web like a human. The AI tool aims to improve online assistance by understanding and integrating with websites independently. Nova Act can book appointments, shop online, and gather research material without needing human intervention. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that rely on pre-programmed responses, the Nova Act can read, analyze, and take actions in real time. This move puts Amazon in direct connection with similar AI tools from Google as well as Microsoft. While the technology promises to simplify online tasks, concerns about privacy and security remain. Amazon has assured that users which will be using Nova Act will operate with strict privacy guidelines. As AI continues to evolve, the Nova Act could change the way people interact with the internet, making digital tasks easier and more efficient. Next, Dolby has officially announced the launch of Dolby Cinema in India, bringing high-end movie-watching experiences to the country. Dolby Cinema, which combines Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos technologies, offering stunning visuals and immersive sound for moviegoers. This expansion will be enhancing India's cinema industry by providing a premium viewing experience. The technology ensures sharper image quality, deeper colors, and dynamic audio, making movies more engaging. With India being one of the largest movie markets in the world, Dolby's entry is expected to attract major film studios and theatre chains. The company also plans to collaborate with Indian cinema chains in order to introduce Dolby Cinema screens in key cities. Now, this development marks a new era for Indian moviegoers, elevating the standard of cinema experiences in the country. Then we have OpenAI, which has announced plans to launch an open-weight language model in the coming months, allowing developers and researchers to access a powerful AI system with customizable features. Unlike closed models that restrict modifications, OpenAI's new approach will provide greater flexibility and transparency. In this case, developers will be able to fine-tune the model for specific tasks, which will be making it useful for businesses, research institutions, and startups. The move is expected to increase AI innovation, enabling more industries to harness AI without high cost. However, OpenAI emphasizes responsible AI use, implementing safeguards in order to prevent misuse. With the growing demand for AI tools, this open-weight model could revolutionize how companies integrate AI into their workflows, making advanced technology more accessible for a broader audience. Moving ahead, we have Elon Musk's Neuralink, which is set to launch a new brain implant called Blindsight by 2025. This device aims to restore vision for blind individuals using advanced neural technology. Blindsight will work directly by stimulating the brain's visual cortex, allowing people with several vision impairments to perceive their surroundings. Neuralink's goal is to create a seamless interface between the human brain and AI in order to open new possibilities for medical advancements. Musk, who has previously showcased Neuralink's brain chip technology for paralyzed patients, enabling them to control devices with their thoughts. Now, the upcoming Blindsight chip is expected to undergo clinical trials soon. If successful, the technology could be a groundbreaking step in medical science, which will be giving hope to millions who suffer from blindness. However, experts have raised ethical and safety concerns, urging careful testing before widespread adoption. Last but not the least, Tata Consultancy Services have named the official AI technology partner for Schneider Electric Marathon de Paris. The partnership will use AI to enhance event management, optimize logistics, and provide real-time insights to organizers and runners. TCS will integrate AI solutions in order to improve marathon tracking, runner performance analysis, and fan engagement. The partnership highlights the growing role of AI in sports as well as event management. The Schneider Electric Marathon de Paris is one of the world's biggest races, attracting thousands of participants. With AI-driven data analysis, organizers can improve safety measures. They can also enhance the race experience and offer more personalized updates to the runners. Now, this collaboration will strengthen TCS's global presence in sports technology, showcasing how AI can bring efficiency and innovation to large-scale sporting events. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.